Ritu and Rohan are helping their mother cut vegetables.
Rohan, can you please pass me the tomatoes from the basket?
Yes, Mom.
Rohan sees that there are only 4 tomatoes in the basket, out of which 2 are rotten. He picks up the other 2 and hands it to his mother.
Oh, these tomatoes are rotten off. The vegetables that start stinking or have a white fungal growth on them are unfit for eating. Let's go to the market and buy some fresh ones. I need to buy a few more things as well.
The children accompany their mother to the market. Mother sends Rohan to buy a bread from a shop nearby. Rohan brings the bread.
Look here, Ritu and Rohan. This bread is stale. You need to check the expiry date of the food items before buying them. It's very important. All food packets have this information printed on them, but sometimes it might not be very clear.
A little while later, Ritu sees a section that has a sale on Tetra-packed juices.
Keep it back, Ritu. We must not buy the Tetra packs, cans, boxes or tins that are leaking or puffed. This is an indication that the food product is spoiled. If you consume these, you will suffer from stomachache, diarrhea, nausea, etc. We must also look for FSSAI logo on the pack. It tells us that the food product is fit for consumption.
They move to another section of the market that sells rice, flour and other food grains.
Ritu, please check and see that there are no insects or worms in the semolina. Also, please check that the rice and dal are not infested with fungus. If that's the case, then it means that there are insects in them. Don't forget to check for the egg mark logo on the packet.
All right, Mom.
Today the children learnt about buying the right kind of food items. They returned back home with their mother.
So Ritu and Rohan, what did we learn today? What kind of food items should we avoid buying?
The fruits, vegetables or food grains have a bad smell emanating from them,
or if they have a white or green fungal growth on them,
or if the products have exceeded their expiry date,
or if there is no FSSAI or egg mark logo on the packet.